Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError unsupported operand types for NoneType and int. This error occurs when you try to subtract an integer from a variable or value that has a value of none in Python. None is a special type that represents the absence of a value. It is often used to indicate that a function or method did not return anything. Here's an example of how this error can occur. When you run this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. In this example, x has a value of none, and y has a value of 10. When we try to subtract y from x, we get the error message. Unsupported operand types for NoneType and int. To fix this error, you need to make sure that the variable or value you are trying to subtract from is not none. You can do this by checking the value of the variable, or using a default value if the variable is none. For example, now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this example, x has a value of 5 and y has a value of 10. When we subtract y from x, we get a value of -5 for z.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.